Hi everyone, I'm Mika, your newscaster turned realtor. Let me show you our dressed-up one-bedroom unit at the Sapphire Bloc, a condominium project by RLC Residences just across the future Ortigas subway station. Let's go. As you step inside, the first thing that greets you is this spacious dining area. What's great about this space is that you can dress it up however you want. Feel free to add a mirror to make the room look even more expansive and elegant. Now moving on to the living area. Take a look at these floor-to-ceiling windows. They allow natural light to flood the unit, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. And speaking of height, notice how ample the floor-to-ceiling height is, giving you that feeling of openness. Let's head over to the bedroom area. The bedroom floor is finished with laminated wood, adding a cozy touch to the room. There's plenty of space here, easily accommodating a king-sized bed. And check out this bedroom closet with the mirror doors. This is included upon turnover. Next up, we have the toilet and bath, complete with tiles and fixtures. The lavatory features a sleek granite countertop, adding a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Plus, we've provided the provision for a washer and dryer. Here's an exciting bonus for you. Upon turnover, we're delighted to give you an appliance gift certificate worth 100,000 pesos. You can use it to purchase all the appliances you need to make this unit truly your own. Last but certainly not least, the kitchen area. It comes complete with granite countertops and a splashboard. You'll find overhead and under-counter cabinets offering plenty of storage space for your culinary needs. I've had the privilege of assisting several happy home buyers, and I would love to work with you as well. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a visit, don't hesitate to contact me via Viber or WhatsApp, or you can send me an email at mika.rlcresidences@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.